The angle of elevation are observed to be 30 and 60 degrees. So here the shadow of a tower standing on the level plane is found to be 50 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees. Angle XAC is equal to 45 degree and XAD is equal to 30 degrees. So if BC is equal to 50, CD is equal to X, then BD is equal to 50 plus X or X plus 50. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed problems on heights and distance. Now today in this session also I will take few more problems on heights and distance. That is I'll discuss 5 marker question today. So very important problems I am going to discuss for 5 marks. Now, so these type of questions are very important for 5 marks. So you may expect one 5 marks question from this. Now, the angle of depression of two boats as observed from the mast head of a ship 50 meters high are 45 degrees and 30 degrees. So here what is given? The angle of depression. So the angle of depression of two boats as observed from the mast head of a ship 50 meters high. So 50 meters high or 45 degrees and 30 degrees. What is the distance between the boats if they are on the same side of the mast head in line with it? So what is required to find is the distance between the boats is to be determined. So if they are on the same side of the mast head in the line with it. Now let us draw the diagram for this. So what is the diagram? Here let AB is the masthead. This AB is the masthead. AB is the masthead, and C and D denotes the position of the boat. So this C as well as D will denote the position of the boats. Here given AB, the height AB is equal to 50 meters, and let us represent this as X, this capital X. What is given? The angle of depression. Angle XAC is equal to 45 degree and XAD is equal to 30 degrees. So XA is equal to 45 degrees and angle XAD is equal to 30 degrees. Now also from this triangle BCA, from triangle BCA, angle C is equal to 45 degrees because this line BD is parallel to AX. BD is parallel to AX. This is parallel. So therefore angle BCA is equal to 45 degrees, and similarly angle BDA, this angle D is equal to 30 degrees. That is angle BDA is equal to 30 degree because what is the reason? Again BD, this BD is parallel to AX. So BD is parallel to AX. So therefore angle XAC, angle XAC is equal to 45 degrees. Similarly angle XAD is equal to 30 degrees. So this is given condition. Very simple concept. Given AB is equal to 50 meters, the angle of depression is given to be angle XAC is equal to 45 and XAD is equal to 30 degree. Since these two lines are parallel, BD is parallel to AX, so therefore angle BCA is equal to 45. Similarly, angle BDA is equal to 30 degrees. Now from this triangle, now consider this triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, find out the value of tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta, you know, opposite divided by adjacent side. So here tan theta is equal to, what is opposite? AB divided by adjacent side is equal to BC. Now from right angle triangle ABC, put theta is equal to 45 degrees. Tan 45 is equal to AB by BC. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 degree is equal to AB divided by BC. So what is tan 45? Since tan 45 is equal to 1 is equal to AB divided by BC, cross multiplied, therefore BC is also equal to AB. So the distance from BC is also equal to AB. So BC is equal to AB. What is this AB? AB is equal to 50 meters. So this is also equal to 50 meters. So just find out the value of BC from this triangle ABC. Now again from this right angle triangle, from right angle triangle ABD, tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BD. So from triangle ABD, tan theta is equal to AB divided by BD, AB divided by B to D distance. So what is tan 30? Here this is tan 30. Theta is equal to tan 30 is equal to AB. AB is equal to 50 divided by B to D distance, BD distance. Now what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 over root 3 is equal to 50 divided by, what is BD from this? So BD is equal to, since you know this is 50 meters, the total distance. So this plus this will give the total. So x plus 50 is BD. BD is equal to x plus 50. Substitute here. So BD, since BD is equal to 50 plus x. So this is 50 plus x. Cross multiply, you will get the value of x. That's it. Okay. Now see here. From triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. That is tan theta is equal to AB by BC. Theta is 45 degrees. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to AB by BC. Just cross multiply it. AB is equal to BC. Since you know AB is also equal to 50 meter, that means this is equal to 50. BC is also equal to 50. If BC is equal to 50, CD is equal to x, then BD is equal to 50 plus x or x plus 50. Now consider this triangle. From this triangle, now from triangle ABD, again same, tan 30 degree is equal to 50 by BD, that is AB by BD, 50 by BD. BD value is also equal to 50 plus x. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by 50 plus x. Cross multiply it. What you will get? 50 plus x is equal to 50 times root 3. Now what is required to find is x. Therefore x is equal to 50 times root 3 minus 50. If you want, you can take 50 common factor, root 3 minus 1. 50 into root 3 minus 1. So what is x here? X is nothing but the distance between the two boards. So therefore the distance between two boards is equal to 50 into root 3 minus 1 meters. This is the required answer. Very important for 4 or 5 marks. Okay. Now move on to a similar problem. What is the problem given? The shadow of a tower standing on the level plane is found to be 50 meters longer when sun's altitude is 30 degree. Then when it is 60 degree, find the height of the tower. So here the shadow of a tower standing on the level plane is found to be 50 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees, and when it is 60 degree, find the height of the tower. When it is 30 degree, the height is the shadow of the tower standing on the level plane is found to be 50 meters. When theta is equal to 30, when theta is equal to 60, we have to find the height of the tower. Right. Now just draw the diagram for this. So diagram will be, so this is the building, AB is the tower. The shadow of a tower standing on level plane is found to be 50 meters long when the altitude of sun is 30 degrees. This one is given, the angle is equal to 30 degree. When it is 60 degree, this is 60 degrees. When it is 60 degrees. Now let us call it as C. Okay. Draw the diagram like this. AB is the tower in the triangle. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. Angle D is equal to 30 degree. The distance is given. What is given here? The shadow of the tower standing on the level plane is found to be 50 meter longer. So this is the distance given. That is 50 meters is the distance from C to D. Now the distance from B to C is equal to x. Let x is equal to BC, right? And CD is given. CD distance is equal to 50 meters. Now from this triangle ABC, find out tan 60. What is tan 60? Tan 60, this is x and h. Opposite divided by tan 60 is equal to opposite divided by adjacent, that is h by x. Now what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by x. So therefore h is equal to root 3 times x. Now let us represent this as equation number 1. So therefore h is equal to root 3 times x. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now take this triangle. From triangle ABD, take tan 30 degrees. What is tan 30? Tan 30 AB divided by BD. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. What is AB? AB is equal to h divided by B to D distance. Just find out BD. What is BD from this figure? BD is equal to BC plus CD, that is x plus 50. So BD is equal to x plus 50. Substitute here. So that is 1 over root 3 is equal to h divided by BD, since B to D distance is equal to x plus 50. So 1 over root 3 is equal to, h is equal to root 3 times x divided by x plus 50. Cross multiply it. You will get the answer. X plus 50 is equal to root 3x into root 3. So x plus 50 is equal to root 3 into root 3 is root 9 square of 9 into x, that is nothing but 3 times x. So x plus 50 is equal to 3x. So therefore 50 is equal to 3x minus x. 50 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. So the distance x is equal to 25 meters. So x is equal to 25 meters, right? Okay. So what is x here? X is equal to 25 meters. Now what is required to find the height of the tower? So from 1, what is height? So therefore from 1, height of tower, height h is equal to root 3 times x, that is nothing but 25 into root 3 meters is the height of the tower. So h, what is h? H is equal to root 3x. Substitute the value of x. 25 into root 3 meters is the height of the tower. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now let us move on to the next problem. Third problem. An aeroplane, when flying at an height of 2000 meters, passes vertically above the another plane at an instant when their angles of elevation from the same point of observation are 60 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the aeroplane. Same, this is as out of the previous problem. So the aeroplane, when flying at an height of, what is the height given? 2000 meters. The height is 2000 meters vertically above another plane, at an instant when the angle of elevation is given to be 60 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. The angle of elevation from the same point of observation. The angle of elevation from the same point of observation are 60 and 45. Then find the distance between the aeroplane. Now let us draw the diagram for this. Same. So here this is, let AB is the A and B or the planes A and B. So there are two planes. This is A and B. A and B are the aeroplanes. Let H be the distance. H be the distance between the aeroplanes. So H is the distance between these two aeroplanes. And the distance from A to C is given, that's equal to 200 meters. And the distance from this triangle ACD, the distance between B and C, BC is equal to 200 minus H. So what is given here? Let A and B are the aeroplanes. Let H be the distance between these two planes. So the distance between these two planes is AB is equal to H. And the distance between A and C is given. AC is equal to 2000 meters. So therefore what is BC from this figure? BC is equal to AC minus AB. So that is nothing but AC is 2000 minus AB is H. So therefore BC is equal to 200 minus H. The angle of elevations are given. So the angle of elevations are 45 degree and 60 degree. Very simple problem, very important. So what is given here? Let A and B are the planes. An aeroplane flying at an height of 200 meters passes vertically above the another plane. So therefore A and B are the two planes. Then at an instant when the angle of elevation from the same point of observation, the angle of elevation from the same point, this is the point of observation, the angle of elevations are found to be 60 degrees and 45 degrees. So, AB is equal to H, AC is equal to 200 meters and BC is equal to 200 minus H, and the angle of elevations are found to be 60 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay. Now, from this triangle ACD, from triangle ACD, so you will get angle tan theta is equal to, so that is nothing but tan 60 you will get. So, here what is tan theta? Opposite divided by, opposite is nothing but AC divided by CD. So, A to C, AC is equal to 2000 meters divided by CD. CD, let us CD keep it as it is. So, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal to 2000 meters divided by CD. Cross multiply it. Therefore, CD is equal to 2000 divided by root 3 meters. So, the value of C to D is equal to 2000 by root 3 meters. Okay. So, very simple. From triangle ACD, tan 60 is equal to AB by CD. Just find out CD. From triangle ACD, tan theta is equal to AC by CD, that is tan 60 is equal to 2000 by CD. So, cross multiplied, since what is tan 60? Root 3. Root 3 into CD is equal to 2000 meters, or only CD is equal to 2000 meters divided by 3 is the value of CD. Okay. Now, next, from triangle BCD, from this triangle BCD, theta is equal to 45 degrees. From triangle BCD, theta is equal to 45 here. So, tan 45 from this figure. So, tan 45 is equal to BC divided by CD. BC divided by CD. So, this is tan 45, BC divided by CD. Substitute the values. What is tan 45? 1 is equal to B to C distance. BC is nothing but 2000 minus H divided by CD. What is CD? 2000 by root 3. 2000 divided by root 3. Simplify, you will get the value of H. So, just this goes to the numerator. 1 is equal to root 3 into 2000 minus H divided by 2000. Cross multiply this. So, 2000 into 1 is 2000 is equal to 2000 root 3 minus root 3 times H. So, simplify this. Transfer this root 3 H is equal to 2000 root 3 minus 2000. So, root 3 H is equal to, you can take 2000 common factor, root 3 minus 1. H is equal to 2000 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Simplify this, that's it. Okay. So, therefore, the required answer H is equal to, if you want you can simplify, or as such you can keep. So, H is equal to 2000 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 meters. That's it. Okay. Very simple problem. See here. First find out the, since AC is given, find out the value of BC. BC is equal to AC minus AB, that is 200 minus H. Then find out the value of CD. So, from triangle ACD, you will get tan 60 is equal to AC by CD. If you cross multiply, CD is equal to 2000 by root 3 meters. Another triangle, from triangle BCD, tan 45. BC by CD, tan 45 is 1. Substitute the values, cross multiply. You will get root 2000 into 1 is 2000 is equal to 2000 root 3 minus root 3h. Transfers minus root 3 to the left hand side, it becomes plus root 3h is equal to 2000 root 3 minus 2000. You can take 2000 common factor, 2000 into root 3 minus 1. Therefore, h is equal to 2000 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. If you want, you can simplify using the calculator. Just put the value of root 3 and simplify, you will get the answer also. Otherwise, you can stop here itself. This is the required answer. Hope you followed. Now, move on to the next problem. From a point on the line joining the feet of two poles, of equal height. So the two poles of equal heights, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole are observed to be 30 degrees and 60 degrees. The angle of elevation are observed to be 30 and 60 degrees. So here the angle of elevation from this point are observed to be 30 and 60 degrees. 30 and 60 degrees. So if the distance between the poles is A is the distance between these two poles. If A is the distance between the two poles, then find the height of the poles. We have to find the height of the poles and the position of the point of observer. So the observer position is to be determined as well as the heights of the poles is to be determined. Okay. Now let us draw the diagram for this. So here AB and ED. AB and DE are the two poles. So AB and DE are the two poles. Let us consider the height. Height of the pole are found to be H. H is the height. So here the angle of elevation is given. One is 30 degree, another one is 60 degree. Let the distance from B to C is X and the distance from B to D is given, that's equal to A. So therefore CD is equal to A minus X. So given, what is given here? So given the distance between the poles, that is B to D, BD is equal to A, let BC is equal to X. So therefore what is CD? C to D can be written as BD minus BC. So BD is equal to A minus X. So this is A minus X. CD is equal to A minus X. So let AB and CD are the two poles. Let H is the height of these two poles. So from this triangle, from triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BC. So from triangle tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BC. That is from triangle ABC. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 A to B. What is AB? So here AB is equal to H and BC is equal to X. Cross multiply this. So what we will get? X into 1 is X is equal to root 3 times H. X is equal to root 3 H. Okay. So in triangle, from this triangle, that is from triangle CDE, tan 60. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to ED divided by CD. That is nothing but root 3x. So from triangle, let me write tan 60 from triangle CDE, tan 60 is equal to ED divided by CD. So what is tan 60? Tan 60 root 3 is equal to E to D. So ED is nothing but H and CD is equal to A minus. So H divided by A minus X. Now cross multiply it. Root 3 into A minus X is equal to H. Let us represent this as equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, what is say? From 1 and 2, X is equal to root 3 H, or from this we can write, or you can also write H is equal to X by root 3. Substitute here, that's it. So put H is equal to, what is H? X by root 3. You will get the answer. So this is root 3 into A minus X is equal to H is X by root 3. Cross multiply, just multiply. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 times A minus X is equal to X. So this is 3A minus 3X is equal to X. Transfer this. 3A is equal to X plus 3X. So 3A is equal to 4X. 3A is equal to 4X. Therefore, what is X? X is equal to 3A divided by 4. X is equal to 3A by 4. Okay. So therefore, the position of point of observer is, the position of point of observer is equal to 3A by 4. So the position of observer is at 3A by 4. So the position of the observer is at 3A by 4. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Now, on to the next problem, same type problem. Two towers of height 14 meters and 25 meters standing on the level ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the point and the line joining the feet are 45 degree and 65 degree. Find the distance between the towers. Same as that of the previous problem. Here the heights are given. One is 15, one is 14 meters, another one is 25 meters. The angle of elevations are found to be 45 degree and 60 degree. What is required to find is the distance between the two towers. So, suppose if these are the two towers, then the distance between these to be determined. The angle of elevations are given and the heights are given. One is 25 meters, another one is 14 meters. That's it. Let us draw the neat diagram for this. This is, let AB is equal to 25 meters and DE is equal to 14 meters are the two towers. So, the height of the towers AB and DE are 25 and 14 meters, that is given. From data what is given, the angle of elevation are found to be 45 degree and 60 degrees. So, therefore, angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees, angle DCE is equal to 45 degrees. Now, let us consider the distance from B to C is equal to X and C to E is equal to Y. Let BC is equal to Y and C to E is equal to Y. Now, what is the total distance? BE is equal to BC plus CE. So, that is nothing but X plus Y. B to E is equal to X plus Y. So, BC is equal to X and CE is equal to Y. Therefore, X plus Y BC is to be determined. Now, from this triangle, let us consider this triangle ABC. Just find out tan 60 degree from triangle. So, from triangle ABC. This is ABC. From triangle ABC. What is tan theta? Tan theta opposite by adjacent, that is AB by BC. AB divided by BC. What is the angle? 60 degrees. So, here tan 60 is equal to A to B. AB is equal to 25 meters divided by BC. B to C is nothing but X. This is X. Now, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 25 by X. So, therefore, cross multiply it. Therefore, X is equal to 25 by root 3. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Okay. From this triangle, so which triangle? From this right angle we got ABC. From this another triangle DEC, from triangle DEC. Find out tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to, tan 45 is DE divided by CE. DE is nothing but H, that is 14 divided by CE. CE is nothing but Y. So, what is tan 45? 1 is equal to 14 by Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 14. Now, what is X? 25 by 3. Y is equal to 14. So, therefore, what is required to find? So, what is required to find? Find the distance between the towers. That is, what is the distance between the towers? BE is to be determined. So, therefore, BE is equal to, the distance BE is equal to X plus Y. What is X? 25 by root 3 plus what is Y? Y is equal to 14. Just take LCM. So, therefore, the distance between towers is equal to 14 plus 25 by root 3 meters. That's it. This is the distance. Okay. Hope you followed. So, if you want, you can take LCM and simplify, or you can stop here itself. If you want, you can write like this, or you can also write root 3 is the LCM. So, if you multiply 14 into root 3 plus 25 meters, this is the distance between the two towers. Okay. So, that's it. So, these type of problems are very important for the point of examination. You may expect this type of question for 4 marks or 5 marks. Okay. This is a sure question. Hope you followed. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.